this is what we're on with today. So it's been a while, it's been too long. We've got 20mm bars in forge, gas mark 6 as usual. Shabs! So they're nice and hot. We're going to put these in fresh over here. We'll pop these up. Get a bit of a 25mm round bar. Pull that round. Pull that down. So it makes a bit of a knot. Pull it level. Yep. And then I'm going to tighten her up a bit. We've got a rake of these to do. We've got about 4 sets of gates to make with all these in. And then we're just going to bang that in first time. Show you again. Nice and hot. Straight in here. Clamp it up. Right round. Not that off there. Level him up. Pull them round with stillage, give them a bit of a tight, get them level, and when they're level, they're like that, we just put a bit of a shape in bars themselves, just turn that round. Just to put a nice bit of shape, following off where knots carried on, so we're blending that shape of bar in 20mm. But every inch or so, a little bit with press and then turn it over so we get a nice flowing shape in there, like that. Turn it round, blend it in. Off that side of knot. Keeping it level every time we hit it and spin it round. So some have doubles in, some singles, some with no knots at all. So they're for a load of gigs. What we're on with, we've been banging these together for a company down in Sheffield. Sent me a template, wants me to fill it with scrolls and leaves. But what we've done here, we've made all the scrolls ourselves out of 25x10 hammered edge, and we've put it through the machine twice. So that's what we're on with there. And also, this gate here, as we said, Mr. and Mrs. Abrazazi, that's inside the entrance gate. And what we do, we're just finishing it off with a few collars with a bit of this stuff. So, gas axe on. And what I've done is put some 8mm round, just to cover it 6mm. And we're just going to finish it off, get this right off. I'm just going to pull these round well. Start with thick end, working his way down. Get that warm. Just push that up. And then I'm just going to wrap it round and do opposite to that up there. Pull that round there. Get that knot. Be careful of getting that end too warm, or else it'll just melt. We'll get that on there. Try and level that up a bit. Try and get it even. And there we go, something like that. That's on that one. Same again on this bottom one. Just warm that up. All a little bit arty-farty, that's what they want. Curl that round a bit. All the way out to the point, and then just curl that round a bit, and give it a little bit of a nudge on there like that, bring that round. And that looks a lot better. So we'll do it same way. So, if you want to get knotted and get all arty-farty on it, see still down here at North Valley Forge and making Bob Swift. We'll see you there. Good on ya!